we are going to cover more of those options and the details that really bring them to that customized level. But first, let's talk about someone who deals with customized windows and doors. Is Tat Granata from FHIA. Let's see what he has for us today.
When we first met with this homeowner, they had some real concerns on what to do with their double French doors in the back of the home. They wanted to upgrade for better hurricane protection, but over the last couple years they had already made some changes to the door to hope that it would make it more energy efficient. They applied an aftermarket tint to the glass to hopefully provide more energy efficiency. Over the course of time they recognized that it really wasn't that effective, and then it started because the heat in South Florida, they started to get delamination in the aftermarket tint, so it was something that wasn't effective for them, and it also became unsightly, so they really wanted to change out these doors. The guys are doing the installation now. I'm excited to see how everything turns out. When we decided to change it out and go from double French doors to sliding glass doors, this was a big decision for the family. But when we make the change out, there's a lot of things that are necessary from an installation standpoint that have to be done correctly in order to give them the security they want from the storms. So when we removed the French doors, we recognized that we had to rebuild the entire opening to make the opening as strong as the sliding glass door frame and the sliding glass doors that we're putting in. It's going to give them the hurricane protection they were looking for, the energy efficiency. They're going to love how the door opens and closes, and it's also going to be nice for them on some of the cooler evenings to have the door open and have the screen and allow them to have that fresh breeze coming off the lake. So they're going to love the great decision they made. Homeowners are always a little bit nervous whenever they're changing out French doors and going to sliding glass doors, but now that this installation is completed, the homeowners love the decision they made. They gave them the patio that they were looking for, the additional space. It's so much easier for them to open and close, and they love the fact that they have the screen now to let fresh air in. So the installation went perfectly, and more importantly, they love the decision and the trust they put in our company. So we're really happy with how everything turned out. Back to you, Elena.
Thanks, Tat.